Hey guys, today we're looking at the Dewalt 2-tool brushless combo kit. It comes in this packaging here. I received this as a holiday gift and it's something that I really needed and it has everything. So come take a little bit closer of a look. It's the first time unboxing it. So it comes with this bag here, this nice Dewalt bag, be perfect to use. Take a look, it's very spacious. So here's the first piece, right? This is your drill that's going to allow you to have the different torque settings, different speed settings. You can add a clip on here if you want to. Comes with the battery in here, we'll get to that. Obviously it's not plugged in right now. But this is going to be a great addition to help with all the projects around the house. Put that one here. The second one, and this is probably going to be my most favorite one, is an impact drill. I need one of these. This is going to be super helpful for drilling, hanging up TV mounts, anything that my wife puts on my honey to-do list. So as you can see, it had a battery attached to it. This pack does come with two 2H batteries and a charging kit. So we'll put this one here. Here's the first of two batteries. And the second one is right here already on the charging kit. So this will tell you how to charge your batteries when they're charged. Plugs right into the wall here, super safe. And that's super helpful to have two separate batteries. So when you're drilling, you never have to take pause or hit pause on a project. And then lastly, it comes with instructions. This is really nice and useful to help read through. I personally am not a super heavy contractor, so it's nice to kind of look and understand what every single piece is and go from there. You can see lastly, this is the bag right here. And yeah, so this is a great addition to my workbench and I'm very excited to start putting this to work.